Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to check your cash app balance. So if you haven't subscribed yet, as always I recommend you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we'll start right after the intro. So guys, checking your cash app balance is very easy, as Cash App offers a couple of ways to check your cash app balance. You can check it either through the Cash App mobile app or through the Cash App website if you don't want to use your mobile app to check your cash app balance. So guys, let's proceed with the easiest method, which is checking your cash app balance through the Cash App mobile app. So what you have to do is open your Cash App mobile app and go to the Cash App, which will show you your Cash App home screen, as you can see here. From here you can go to the banking tab right at the bottom corner, and here you are going to actually see your cash balance. So guys, it is important to note that this cash balance is actually both your Cash App mobile account balance and your Cash App card balance. So if you have any balance on your Cash App card, then it's going to be reflected here. As well, if you have any balance on your Cash App mobile wallet, it's going to be reflected here equally. So guys, this is the easiest method to check your Cash App card, your Cash App balance. The other way is to go to the activity tab, which is just right here, and tap the last transaction to see actually what balance is reflected after the transaction was completed. That is the second method. And the third and reliable method equally is to check the Cash App balance through the website. As you can see, Cash App features a page where it actually gives steps to checking your Cash App balance without any inconveniences. It's very easy to proceed, and you can see there are just 2 steps. So guys, these are the different ways to check your Cash App balance. You can also check your Cash App balance through phone by dialing the mobile number that appears on the screen. So guys, these are the different ways to actually check your Cash App balance. As you've seen, let's make a quick recap on the different methods we've covered. So the first method is through the Cash App mobile app, which is going through the banking tab and actually visualizing your Cash App balance. The second method is still through the Cash App mobile app, which is actually going through your activity tab and dialing and checking your Cash App balance through the latest transaction you can see on your Cash App home. The third method is through the Cash App website, where you can actually go to the Cash App activity tab and you actually be featured your Cash App balance. And the fourth and also another reliable but slow method is through the Cash App customer service number that I actually featured on the screen, and that is actually still being featured on the screen. So guys, those are the 4 different ways to check your Cash App balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.